Okay, I've got the jugs mounted up on the faceplate. Here's some of the bolts that I've got in there. Just going through wherever I could. I've got it in gear at 60 RPM. So with a 1700 RPM motor, it's about, well, close to 30. There's one bolt that's through the center, or it's actually I countersunk it into the to the where it's covered by the where it mounts up. Thought I had a couple more. Yeah, there's another one. There's plenty. So anyway, here's where I am on the as far as center goes. So it's off by close to almost 10 thousandths, which is, that means if I have to move it over to make it center, it'd be a piece of paper thick. And I measured at least the bottom where I could on the wall thickness with a block, and then taking the measurement from outside to inside, and it's actually there's a difference of this is 40 thousandths thicker than the back side of this, and it's just hard to tell where it's gonna. I'm not gonna worry about the thickness of a piece of paper on which side the bore is. I mean, it might just, it's not, I don't think it's out of round because it goes back and forth pretty smoothly. Where it's at 90 degrees, it's about halfway between the two marks. It's a smooth back and forth of the needle there on the, one rotation is 10 thousandths of an inch. So I'll turn it on again. So it's probably closer to 8, or what some real thin paper would be, is what it's off by, which is half the difference. Anyway, hopefully it'll hold on there.